welcome to Team Lem Off-Road Adventures. And on this episode, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Let me show you what I got going on. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought one of their titanium 38 by 24 modular welding tables. That comes with all the attachments there. I'm sure you've seen those before. And I picked me up a 30-inch one-door service cart. So what I'm going to be doing, myself a mobile welding cart that I can move around within the shop, and or be able to take it with me someplace else and use it at somebody else's house if need be. So stay tuned and let's get the thing together and let's get this stuff unboxed. So let's start with getting this thing open. See what we got here. I won't go through the whole unboxing as I'm sure you guys have seen lots of these before. So be right back. So this is what it looks like once you get it out of the box. So let's dig into this thing and find the pieces and start putting it together. Okay, I got it unboxed and you can see we got the drawer here. We got the top tray, the bottom tray, all the legs, the handles, and a box with all the hardware in it. Okay gang, I got the bottom tray all set up here. Got the casters on it using carriage bolts and locking nuts. On to the next step. Okay, I got this step done. It was considered of putting the top shelf here on the drawer. So 4 bolts, 8 washers, and 4 nuts. So on to the next step. Looks like we're going to be doing the legs. Alright gang, next step, lock the casters in place so it doesn't roll away on you too much. We're going to take these small screws and a washer and a lock nut, 2 on each side, lock nuts in the back, and you're going to do that on all 4 corners. Start getting the legs on. See you when I get it finished. Okay gang, there you have it. Got the bottom ones all hooked up, ready to go. Now we're ready to do the top. Stay tuned. Okay, there you got it guys. So when you put the upper part on, since this slips down inside there, I laid it on its back and slid this in there and was able to get the front ones in. And then I grabbed the bolt and I tipped it up and put it in the top one here to hold the back up, and then I got the rest of them started. And then you just use the 13mm socket, Phillips screwdriver here, get them all cinched down, and you're ready to go. Okay guys, let's get to the next part. Now what I'm going to show you here is I got the cart all done, and you can see it right there, and looking good, looking sharp, matching everything else over there. And so the next thing we're gonna do is break out this titanium welding table here and start doing some stuff on that. Now this comes with handles here, so you don't put the little screws in the side here because that's where the handles bolt on. But I'm gonna hold off on that right at the moment because I think I got another idea where I'm gonna put those and what I'm gonna do. So just stay tuned. I'm going to get this welding table unboxed. Okay, the unboxing of the welding table looks like this. Got her nice and packaged up, everything protected good. So I'm going to go ahead and dig it on out. When I get some of this stuff undone, then I will show you what I got going on. So stay tuned. Okay guys, check this out. This is pretty cool. The welding table out. And it looks like it's plastic wrap, and it's got this other wrap around it and some brown paper. It's oiled, so it helps keep the oil in so it doesn't rust, in shipping or whatever coming over from China or whatnot. And then there's the base for it. So yeah, stay tuned again, and I'm gonna get this stuff all unwrapped and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, let me show you what I'm going for. I got the welding table out. I put the stubby legs on it, and they're wider than the the cart. So I took them off, I flipped them upside down, I put the feet on them, I had them fully extended up, and got them upside down, thinking that maybe I could bolt them into the cart and get the welding table high enough. So you can see I got the feet there, in there, and I was thinking that I can bolt these, you know, through here or with the grab handles. They bolt them on, and that's nice. That's a pretty good height, but I want to be able to access in here easier. So I'm going to need to raise that up about another 4 inches. So stay tuned. I'm going to call it a night for now. Go in and eat some of Mama's cooking. Team Lim Off-Road Adventures always eats really well. And we'll get back to this tomorrow. All right, good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I'm back out here in the shop. I'm working on the fab table cart. Let me show you what I got going on. I kind of been working on it for a little bit, trying to figure some things out. This is what I got. So I've got this far, and I originally had these legs on there, so it was going to sit down in there, but it only left like a 2-inch gap, so you couldn't get your hand in here. So the packaging boxes are like 7.5, so that's pretty good. I can get my hand in there, I can set stuff in there and get it out easily. And then so I was trying to come up with some legs, something that I could possibly weld on the inside of the frame up in here, you know, maybe some tubing or some angle iron or something like that. And then I thought, well, what about these legs that come with the table? So I think what I've come up with is I got the original feet stuck in there now. Of course, that's not going to be that way. I'll get some panhead bolts like that to put in here. But yeah, I'm going to put those on like that. We'll lob them off down here at the bottom, and then bolt them, take out these, bolt them through, and we'll be good to go there. And that adds a little flair, a little touch, you know, with the green showing through there and everything. And it'll be that way all the way around, and then that'll hold that up for me to where I can have access in here. So yeah, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna run to the store, get some of that stuff, and then I have a friend's funeral that I got to attend today. A good buddy of mine, Nate Gentry, passed away from cancer about a month ago, and we got his funeral today at 11. And so after that, I'll get back on this. You know, Nate and I used to be neighbors, and we were both into Jeeps and off-roading, and then he built a Havoc vehicle, and it was called, our team was Pure Insanity Racing. And you know, we did that for a few years, and he got to live his lifelong dream, and I was blessed to know Nate and blessed to be a part of that. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me show you what my idea is. I ran to the store, and I've brainstormed some things and got some stuff figured out what I'm going to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the original legs from the welding table, and I am going to place them down here on the side of the cart, run them up like that, bolt them on the top, and then bolt them down here, and then it'll give you know, a nice little design, you know, kind of add something to the table. And then what I did is I went and got these panhead bolts, and you know, you can see they don't fit, so I took and I drilled it out with my bit here and got it so when I get that in there, it'll sit all nice and flush. I have to cut these off so they don't overhang down there on the bottom, but I'll get to that. I got one cut off already, and I'll get this one on and show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll get the rest done. Okay, I got the first one on, and I got that in there, tighten down with the Allen wrench. It's just kind of hanging there right now, but it also hangs down here in the bottom, and so I got these nuts, and I'm going to put a nut on there. Even though the leg's threaded, I'm going to put a nut on it just to cinch things down and try to make it a little bit tighter and hold it a little bit better. So let's see, I need to get a new socket. 13 back. What do we got here? About 17. Awesome. Okay. Try to switch hands here. Hold on. There we go. Oh, I took it off. Gosh darn it. Screw that up. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm back. Let's try this again. Make sure we got this going the right direction. Get it up in there. Okay, what I've done here is, let me bring it down here and show you. Drilled a pilot hole, then a 3/8 hole on all four sides there, and put the bolt and the lock nut in. And so I got that one side done. I'm going to do the other side of the legs. Alright gang, I got her done. Let me show you what I got going on here. So I wound up going around, putting a bolt in both sides on all the legs all the way around, and then they're attached up here. Things pretty sturdy, so we're going to be good to go for welding. And then as you can see, I made the clearance here so I could get my hand in here and still utilize this space, and putting stuff in there as well as the drawer. Then down below, and I can put my cutter down there as well. And if you've never seen one of these tables before from Harbor Freight, they come with all these fixtures and everything for tightening stuff down, holding things down, you know, laying tubing in here, you know, so you can it'll hold the tubing level, or you can roll it, you know, while you're welding and things like that. All sorts of different things. You know, I got to learn more about it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this thing, and you know, if you got any other ideas or anything that I could have done better, you know, or any comments, you know, just please leave them in the comments down below, and make sure you like and subscribe. Team Lem Off-Road Adventures, and until next time, we'll see you out on the trail.